Hi, welcome to the Trucking Scribe. It's Esther. Today I have 1,000 subscribers and I am doing a giveaway. I've made this little travel journal. I'm going to do a walkthrough with you. All the rules are in the video. One thing I forgot, you have to be at least 18 to participate. This is open worldwide. And I do really want to say thank you so much for helping me get here to 1,000 subscribers. And I'm sure that we'll be continuing to grow from everybody that comes by. So thank you. And hi, and welcome to the Trucking Scribe. It's Esther. Today I'm doing a walkthrough of this little journal that I made. This will be a journal that I'm going to give away for the reaching my 1,000 subscribers. I have made it with dangles and stuff on it. It's an envelope journal that's expandable on the side, so it will get bigger. The front cover has some fabric and lace on the edge. Then there is a couple of journaling cards, which I need to glue that down. So it has a couple of journaling cards right here that just slide right in that little pocket. Then you have an ID. I did not give this pretty lady a name yet. She has her paperwork, so I figure whoever wins this journal can give her a name and fill out her ID and tell her story. So the front has a dangle on it, a little coordinating piece of cardstock, and then my logo dangle. The side view, it's got some pretty little dangles on the sides with lace. You open it up, there's a pocket with some lace here. It has some little trip ephemera, so tickets and things. Over here, this opens up, so you have like a hiding space. She comes out. Now, the two kind of look a little different, but I'm saying that she's older here and her hair may have turned gray or because of the black and white, but it is the same lady in my story anyway. You might have a story if you win this journal that it's two different ladies. So there is a dangle hanging on, which this comes out like I showed you. And it's a journaling card on the back. Because I want to take all this out as I go. I keep forgetting that. I'm going to leave that on the front though. So when you turn it over, here's a little pocket that has ephemera in it. So there's like one pocket back there. Let's see, one there, one here, and then there's one in the very back where this one is, right there. So these open up and you have little journaling spots. Same thing with this one. You can even open this up and do a little journaling there. They just close up by going under that little lip. So then I have like a billy band, but you can put this whole tag back behind those two cards. So over here we've got some clusters and some tags that fit down in here. So this is 4 pockets. One's right here. And you got one right there, one there, and one more right there. And you got this side over here. This is a belly band. And then I've got just little scrap pieces that match and coordinate with the journal in here so that you can decorate it a little more if you want. Here's some maps and different stuff. This is a journaling card that I made from scraps and a master board. Another tag, so this one has several pockets too. Let's see, 2, 3, 4, and then the journaling, the belly band. Over here you've got another pocket with some more journaling cards that just tuck in there. This here is a belly band that has a little ticket. You have some writing space. And here you've got another belly band with an envelope that has more journaling space. So you've got quite a bit. And it does close with the Velcro closure. Just slips right back in there. Over here I have another journaling card, another little envelope with more journaling space. Then over here, this pocket is glued on, and it has a journaling spot too with Velcro. And here's some more pockets with more journaling. So over on this side there is more ephemera, some more journaling cards, tag, another journaling card from my master boards. I love making those. And a tag. Then right here there is, of course, another journaling card, but you know, it has some dangles on it. Here is a paper bag that's been embossed and stamped, and a tag. A couple more tags, more journaling spots. Right here is a paper clip that I put a dangle on with an owl. It can fit on the side or the top or wherever you want it to go. I have another little envelope right here. Here's a tuck spot with a journaling card, some cheesecloth. Over here is another pocket with another card. This is a flip out pocket. You got some journaling spots. And I have another tag in there. This one also has a journaling card on the side right here. So I put in plenty of other spaces to write. You got a little flip right here, fabric flip. This one's one of my favorites. It's just a little journaling spot that opens up and has butterflies on it. So maybe the lady went on a trip to, and the trip they went to a butterfly farm or something. Here's another one with some hands, shaking hands. And this is the back page, and it has all of these journaling cards also. So, see how small it got? All that is where this came from. So this journal is for my 1,000 subscribers, and I'm going to do a drawing in, let's see, on Friday, January 5th. I will do a drawing. To be in the running for the drawing for the book, you must make a comment. Tell me where your favorite vacation spot is. Like the video, and you have to be a subscriber in order to win this journal. It is open around the world, so I will be sending it if somebody wins cross country. So I hope that you enjoy this, and thank you so much for being a subscriber and helping my channel to grow. I will see y'all in a couple days to do the drawing. Thank you and have a great day.